everyone, welcome to HPRT channel. This is Hannah. Today we're going to take a quick review about HPRT's barcode scanner lineup. This video will help you to know the very difference between all of these scanners and also ensure that you get the right exact one for your business. Now, let's get started. We offer an assortment of choices which includes handheld service from entry-level to premium level, stationary scanners, and mobile scanner. Now let's break down to more details. Our entry-level 2D scanner N80 is available with cord and cordless version. It is the most cost-effective one for retailers. Enjoy a 2D scanner by paying 1D price. For intensive scanning fields, let's move up to our mid-tier scanner N101. With additional range and increased scan speed, N101 is capable of dealing with mid-volume scanning. You can put this N101 scanner into this gooseneck stand for auto-sensing, just like this. N101 is a well-designed scanner to keep checkout lanes, manufacturing lines, and warehouses running smoothly. This is N101H, which is specially designed for healthcare. Its disinfectant-ready housing is able to withstand regular sanitizing with Posh disinfectants. One more option of mid-tier is N130. It's a general-purpose scanner with stylish and sleek appearance. It fits well with retail business. N130 also comes with two versions, cord version and cordless version. This is N130BT. It has special design cradle. As you can see, there are contactors in it. When you drop in the scanner, it will be charged. In the charging mode, the light is flashing. When it's fully charged, it will turn green. Also, this cradle can support data transmission functionality, and distance could reach 100 meters. But if you are looking for a more rapid one to fit your noisy manufacturing, workshop, or warehousing, let's move to another mid-tier option, N150. Top cover and handle is fully wrapped with protective rubber. You'll get feedback from the scanner by feeling its vibration. Moreover, the scanner has green spot technology. When it comes to high-end retail business, N130's advanced version N160 is recommended here. N160 has a much more eye-catching top cover. Its resolution is 1 megapixels. By sitting on this cradle, it could be charged and switched between handy mode and auto-sensing mode. It can effortlessly read hard-to-read, poor quality, or damaged barcodes. A great helper in retail and other commercial services. N160 also comes with a cordless BT version. On top of the cover, there's an LED indicator shows battery status. Now here's our big cheese, premium level scanner N170. It's an advanced version of N150. You can easily find it from the yellow button. Let's look at the beam. Instead of a red line or spot, it's actually a rectangle. This allows the scanner to catch a certain barcode among bunches of barcodes more precisely. We recommend N170 for almost any intensive scanning application like manufacturing, light industrial, labs, etc. Besides, we have stationary scanner like P100, P200, and mobile scanner N300 for you to choose. Now you probably have a general image about all of our scanner lineup. If you are interested in it, just feel free to contact us here.